I'm at the Clairmont Provincial Park in Nova Scotia. Here's my setup for cooking in the back of the van. I'm gonna make myself some mashed potatoes there from dried potatoes. The water's there already boiling on the stove. I'd add a little bit in there from another package. I'll be stirring that up, but I'm gonna have to open a new box. I'm struggling a little bit here to open the bag. Try to open it up with my hands, but no luck, so I'm just gonna use a pocket knife. Pocket knife isn't that sharp, so I'm having a little bit of a problem here opening up the bag a bit. The material's fairly tough. First I just add a little bit there and mix it up and see if I need more to make it thicker. I don't bother measuring, I just use looks at what it looks like. The stove here that I'm using is about 60 years old. It's got the round tank, so any of these common stove that has the round tank, they're very old. Can of flaked ham. I have now the burners off there. When I add the powdered potatoes to the water, I have the stove off so it doesn't stick on the bottom and so on. It just needs heated water and then it'll cook it automatically very fast. Now my meal is ready to eat. I just used a pot there for my plate. Makes it less items to clean up. And it's when you're by yourself, that works. Quite good. I'm getting ready to clean my pot and my spoon. I just have to restart the Comeau stove. It gives an initial little flare up, then it settles down. That's how this stove works. Add a little bit of soap. I use paper towels to dry off the dishes. That way I can get rid of them in the garbage can that's provided, and I don't get anything that's wet inside the van afterwards. So I don't bring along washcloths. I just use the paper towels. Just turn the stove off. Here I'm just rinsing the bottom of the pot in case you have any soap residue left behind. I'm taking a little bit of a drink of water. I use the 4-liter size empty milk bottles there, and they make for, once they're well washed, makes for a good water container. Handle and all on them. Pointing out the garbage can. Putting my stuff away now. Now all my stuff is put away now, so it doesn't take very long. A little bit of view here of the picnic table that I didn't use. They have a number of these picnic tables all over the place, and it's kind of nice. A really nice park. That's the end of the video.